Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Hyundai Sonata AC. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC system, typically found on the passenger side. Before proceeding, start your engine and set the air conditioning to its coldest setting with the fan on high. This prepares the system for proper refrigerant intake. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. Take the Quick Connect fitting on the refrigerant hose and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port. Listen for a click to confirm a secure connection, preventing any refrigerant escape. Once connected, observe the pressure gauge on the kit. This gauge provides a reading of your current AC system pressure, indicating if a recharge is necessary. With the kit connected, it's time to add refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger in short, controlled bursts, typically for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Between bursts, gently rock the can to ensure a smooth flow of refrigerant into the system. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge to prevent overfilling, which can damage your AC components. After reaching the recommended pressure, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Test your AC system by checking if cold air is now blowing strongly from the vents. If the air is still not cold, further diagnosis might be needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Regular AC maintenance helps keep your ride comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.